Today is day 4 of Tyler and I's West Coast road trip. We're going to start off by leaving Las Vegas and heading towards the Hoover Dam. After the Hoover Dam, we're going to swing by Nelson's Landing and jump off some cliffs. Then after that, we're going to head back towards Vegas and take Interstate 15 all the way to Palm Springs in California. And we're going to make some exciting stops along the way. We're on our way to the Hoover Dam today. We go to the Hoover Dam, then we're going to go to a place called Nelson's Landing. Then I make our way to California. So this is the Hoover Dam. You've seen Griswold's Vegas Vacation. Clark Griswold somehow manages to attach onto one of these power line things, and he swings and he slams right into the Hoover Dam. Right here in middle of, where is this? Somewhere Nevada, Arizona. Like Arizona's over there, Nevada's over there. So yep, right here. We're in the middle of the desert, but we got a new toy. Can't really see.
Yeah, let me get my shade.
I love how we are just out in the middle of absolutely nowhere, flying a drone around. Still can't really see, it's so bright.
Yeah.
We are in the middle of nowhere, heading to a place called Nelson's Landing in Ghost Town.
Middle of nowhere seems to be a common theme.
Yeah, it's a common theme of our road trip. So this town is in the middle of like a big canyon.
I really want to do 10 laps. This looks really
We're coming up on the water. It's all been downhill, so I haven't had to hit the gas in a long time. This is like a little oasis in the middle of the desert.
The river.
Ready? Good?
Oh, almost lost my flip-flop there.
So I would say the jump is like 30 feet high. Then once you're down there, it's pretty awesome. This is technically called the Nelson Ghost Town, but I think it's just some guy who takes a bunch of cool stuff and puts it down out here. made it to Primm, Nevada, and we're gonna check out Whiskey Pete's and Buffalo Bill's. Bonnie and Clyde's actual car that they got killed in is located inside of Whiskey Pete's, so we're gonna go find it. So this is the car that Bonnie and Clyde got shot up in. They were two notorious American gangsters. Here are all the bullet holes. This is Buffalo Bill's, and they have a roller coaster called Desperado. They also have some other rides. We're gonna go take a look inside. Pretty sure this place is falling apart because it's a very massive hotel, and there's hardly any cars here. It's so empty. This log flume looks very dry. There's a sign on the log flumes control board that says danger, unsafe. So if I had to guess, this log flume has not been open in quite some time. I guess they had a drop tower out here called Turbo Drop. Turbo Drop. I think the coaster might run on the weekends. The water ride looks like it has not run in a long time, where the Turbo Drop thing has obviously not ran in a long time. Towards the LA Springs area is incredibly empty and barren, and it's 104 degrees in the desert. So we're going to a town called Barstow with some Route 66 style attractions, and from there we're going to go to Palm Springs. We are in Newberry Springs, California at the closed Lake Dolores water park. I'm no expert on the water park industry, but this place is in the middle of absolute nowhere. I am not surprised that this place closed. What are these, bathrooms?
Yeah. This is like a pathway. Let's go in here.
Oh, these bathrooms are gutted out.
Oh, we should have gotten the we should have
flashlight.
The flashlight.
This looks like the middle of the bathrooms. Here's the old entrance plaza. This place is torn to shreds.
You wanna go on the roof?
Hell no, I'm not going on the roof.
There's a ladder there though.
Looks like we won't be needing any tickets today. We're inside of what looks like it was a concession stand. You know, for an abandoned place, this is actually in pretty good condition.
What happened?
We made it to Barstow, we're eating dinner. Got some Mexican food with a bunch of dead animals looking at us. That's crazy. Look, you can see the beam of light. Yeah,